In this video, I'll show you how to build an automation in Airtable. First, sign in to your Airtable account and open the base where you want to create your workflow. From the top menu, click Automations, then select Create Automation to start setting up your automation. Next, choose a trigger that will decide when the automation starts. You can select options like when a record is created, when a record is updated, or when a record matches certain conditions. Configure the trigger settings and run a test to make sure Airtable is finding the correct information. After that, add an action that tells Airtable what to do automatically. You can create a new record, update an existing record, send an email, send a Slack message, or connect with other apps. Complete the action settings and test the result to confirm that everything works correctly. Now, review your automation and make sure the trigger and action are connected properly. Check the sample data, adjust any fields or messages if needed, and run another test before activating the workflow. Finally, turn the automation on to start using it. Airtable will now perform the action automatically whenever your trigger conditions are met. You can return to the automation section anytime to edit the workflow, view activity, or make changes as your process grows. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build an automation in Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.